jump rope video, I will be doing a beginner jump rope workout. So if you're a beginner, grab your jump rope and follow along with me. The jump rope that I'm using today, as I'm often asked about, this one is made by Elite SRS. It's a PVC jump rope. I believe it's 5 millimeters thick. And as you often see in videos of mine, I'm wearing boxing boots made by Lonsdale. Okay, so if you haven't already, warm up your body a little bit, loosen up. Maybe roll out your ankles a little bit by rotating your feet. Maybe do some leg raises like so, or maybe some butt kicks like so for each leg to loosen up your hamstrings. And when you're ready, follow along with me. I will continue talking. I will explain what I'm doing and when I'm going to transition to a different move. All right, here goes. So I'm beginning with the basic 2-foot hop. This is often one of the first moves that people learn when they're learning how to jump rope. And ironically, it's also a difficult move on your body. It's quite tiring for your lower legs, your calf muscles, for example, as well as your soleus muscle, your Achilles tendon. So even though it's the first move that you learn, it's also quite challenging because it does tire out your lower legs quite a lot. And the reason we learn this move first, though, often is because our body weight is evenly distributed to both legs, to both feet. So it's good for balance. Okay, you're doing great. I can already feel my calves, my calf muscles starting to burn a little bit. Good job, everyone. So if you make a mistake, it's all good. Just chill out. Begin again. Okay, fantastic. We will be stopping this move in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, everyone. Just chill out for a little bit. Maybe shake out your legs. Walk around, maybe do a little bit of active recovery. If you are doing this jump rope workout outside like I am, enjoy the surroundings. Oftentimes these days we're inside looking at a computer screen or at our phone so close to our eyes. So if you can get outside to work out, give your eyes a little bit of a change of scenery, work different parts of your eyes. Okay, you guys are doing great. All right, so we will begin skipping again in 5, 4, 3. You can begin hopping using a side swing like so if you're able to. Enter like that. Or you can also begin with the rope behind your legs like so. Spin it around and then hop. All right, fantastic. So we can begin with the 2-foot hop again. And this time we're going to throw in a slight twisting action of our bodies like so. So we're still doing a 2-foot hop, but we're adding in a twisting motion of our bodies. Fantastic, you guys. Like that song, Twist and Shake. Doing the twist. Fantastic, you guys. It's a little bit challenging. Good job. And now we will go back to the regular 2-foot hop in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, you guys. Okay, we'll be taking a break very shortly. You guys are doing great. Good work, everyone. So take a break in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fantastic, you guys. And you may have noticed there that the jump rope hit my foot, my left foot I think it was, once or twice as it was rotating, but it never stopped the rotation of the rope completely. Sometimes if you feel the rope get caught in your shoe or a boxing boot, if you're wearing a boxing boot, for example, if you give the rope a little bit of an extra spin with your wrists, that can help the rope avoid getting caught completely in your feet. So the rope will continue to rotate around. Good job, everyone. Chill out for a brief period. Enjoy the surroundings if you're outside. Shake out your legs. One nice thing that I like to do is go into a wide squat like so. Push the leg out. Great for relaxing the hips. The legs, you can even go into a little rest like this. Another one, if you're able to, just go down into a squat. You can even do it on your toes like so. It's a nice recovery position. You can even throw in a slight bounce like I'm doing so. And I'm doing this by mimicking basically jumping. I'm pushing up and down using the toes and the balls of my feet. So this is a nice recovery position. Great work, you guys. You're doing fantastic. All right, so far we've done two moves, the regular 2-foot hop and a twist. Let's begin again now. You guys are doing great. Now we are going to go into a side straddle, which involves moving our legs apart as we jump over the rope, like so. You spread your legs apart before bringing them back together. And you can always watch this in slow motion to see exactly what is happening. And you don't need to spread your legs too far apart when you do this. That will increase the chances of the rope getting stuck on your leg or your foot. Great job, you guys. Okay, you're doing fantastic. And now we're going to do side straddle, or we're going to stick it. What do I mean by that? This. I'm jumping with my legs spread apart. Try that. And then we can go back to the regular side straddle. Together and apart. Fantastic, you guys. Okay, I'm going to stick it again. It's fantastic. Good job, you guys. Good job. Now let's go back to the regular 2-foot hop now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job, you guys. And we'll go back into the twist. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, you guys. We'll be taking a break very shortly. Good job. Okay. We'll take a break in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job, you guys.